Anxious, anxious. It is an adjective. The synonym of the word anxious is worried or concerned. The meaning for the word feeling worried or afraid. கவலையும் அச்ச உணர்வும் கொண்ட மன கலக்கமுற்ற. causing worry and fear. கவலையையும் அச்சத்தையும் தோற்றுவிக்கிற மனக்கலக்கத்திற்கு இடமான. Sentences. She is anxious because her daughter hasn't arrived yet. Parents are naturally anxious for their children. He seemed anxious about the meeting.